Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra screen protector you can buy Amazon. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is a powerful tablet that has a beautiful, clear and sharp screen. To ensure that your device stays in top condition and you can use it for many years, we've compiled this guide of the best Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra screen protectors on the market. The process of finding the right screen protector is important because it will keep your device safe from scratches, cracks and other damage. We'll cover what to look for in a good screen protector, how to apply them correctly, and how to remove them without damaging your device. We'll also give you some tips on how to keep your tablet looking as good as new without having to replace or repair it. What to look for in a good Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra screen protector. The first thing you will want to do is find out what type of screen protector you are looking for. There are 3 main types of screen protectors that people typically use: wet application, dry application and self-adhesive. The type of protector you should buy depends on how you are going to apply it. Wet application is better for people who want to apply a protector and go about their day. Dry application is better for people looking for maximum protection because it will adhere as soon as it touches the screen. Self-adhesive is best if you plan on applying your protector in a controlled environment, such as in the bathroom, while you are showering. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Protect. Protect your Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra Wi-Fi with our anti-reflective, matte screen protector. Made of a special kind of material, the transparent finish is matte and can successfully diminish the glare and fingerprints on your Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra Wi-Fi display. It's not just a screen protector, but an all-in-one package that includes a tempered glass film, a dry wipe screen cleaning cloth, and an installation guide. The best-selling, top-rated product on Amazon for the past 3 months. Don't be fooled by the low price. This screen protector is designed to protect your device against daily wear and tear and has been tested against many leading brands. It's easy to apply and will not leave bubbles. If a screen protector was designed to last, then it was designed by Protect. Protect Matte Anti-Glare Screen Protector minimizes light and sun reflections on your screen, compatible with Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra Wi-Fi. With additional anti-fingerprint oleophobic layer, so fingerprints and oil are easily wiped off from the protection film. This high-quality screen protective film is hard-coated with a very high scratch-resistant surface to protect your screen from scratches, without air bubbles due to a newly developed adhesive layer. Number 4. Protect Hybrid. Let your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 5G 9H screen shine with Protect's tough and scratch-resistant screen protector. Our glass foil protection is designed to be strong, durable, and reliable. So with Protect, your phone will be well protected against drops, dings, and scratches. Keep your new tablet protected with Protect's high-quality screen protector. Unlike other screen protectors, our screen protector is tempered glass, so it's protecting your tablet and looking good in the process. You'll never have to worry about scratches or fingerprint smudges ruining your screen again. It features scratch resistance and high transparency. With the help of our screen cleaner, the Protect screen protector film can be easily and conveniently applied to the screen. Keep your tablet protected with the Protect Hybrid Glass Screen Protector Film. A thin, lightweight, and high-quality glass film with a special adhesive to leave no bubbles or residue. Enjoy clear, glass-like screen protection that's designed to be scratch-resistant and easy to install. This case-friendly air glass is 2x thinner and lighter than tempered glass screen protectors, but offers the same 9H extreme hardness of ordinary hard glass protectors. Number 3. Dipose. Dipose is a new type of screen protector that is compatible with Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. It's uniquely designed to be ultra-flexible, so it can stay on your device even if it takes a hard hit or drop. Dipose also has an anti-glare coating, so you can use your device in bright light situations with ease. Do you want to protect your screen? Do you want to protect your investment? The best way to do both is to use Dipose i2X screen protector. It's flexible and has a 9H hardness. It's also compatible with all Galaxy Tab S8 models. Your tablet deserves the best protection. Dipose is made with a 0.5mm thick tempered glass, which provides a display protection of 9H, while also being more flexible than other more expensive protectors. Buy today and save up to 25% off retail price. A clear, high-definition screen protector that's perfect for your new device. Our ultra-flexible 9H tempered glass has a smooth finish, so your tablet retains its original feel. It's also equipped with our patented cooling technology to keep your device cool while in use. The top layer is a premium 9H hardness tempered glass, the bottom flexible TPU layer is optically clear and provides full edge-to-edge protection. It's designed to work with our patented edge-to-edge adhesive that attaches easily and removes cleanly. Number 2. Belay. Who else is sick of your tab getting scratched and scuffed up? Protect your expensive device with our high-quality, bubble-free protectors. Belay offers 2-pack screen protectors for the newest Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. You don't have to deal with the hassle of bubbles or fingerprints with our screen protector because we've pre-applied a clear adhesive solution. Plus, this screen protector is only 0.20 inches thin, so you'll barely know it's there. Protect your Tab S8 Ultra from dust and damage with these tempered glass screen protectors. These screen protectors are designed to fit the screen of your Tab S8 for a perfect fit. They are ultra-thin, durable, and protect against scratches, smudges, and fingerprints. With these screen protectors, you'll always have a bubble-free installation. Each screen protector is designed to be easy to apply while delivering exceptional protection against scratches, scrapes, and bumps. Belay's tempered glass screen protectors are designed to be tough and durable and to last. Say goodbye to fingerprints and scratches on your screen with Belay's tempered glass screen protectors. It's easy to apply, bubble-free, and available in the latest colors. With 2 per package, you can replace your old one anytime. Our lifetime warranty covers any issue with the film. Number 1. Dipose filter. Keep your privacy on track with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra Screen Protector Anti-Spy 4-Way Protection. It's compatible with the Dipose privacy filter and is designed to shield your screen from being able to be seen by people at a specific angle in front of you. It's an essential for those who wish to utilize their tablet in a public setting or at home. Do you care about your privacy while browsing the web? Now you can browse without having to worry about prying eyes thanks to Dipose privacy filter. Say goodbye to being embarrassed by a wrong click, being vulnerable to hacking, identity theft, and more. With our 4-way protection for anti-spy, anti-glare, anti-fingerprints, and anti-scratch protection, we make sure that our products are not only highly functional, but you will feel fully protected. Get Dipose privacy filter today and enjoy browsing the web with a clear view of your history, identity, and private information. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra Privacy Protection Film made in Germany, construction, cutting and packaging in Germany for fair wages. 4-way protection from prying eyes privacy filter in both portrait and landscape mode.